Thailand is a well-known destination for medical tourism. Annually, the country attracts 3 to 4 million medical tourists, and more than 10% of those visitors head here for dental treatments. Now you can find everything you need in one place. So this is Dentopia. Dentopia is a new type of dental centre focused on Dental-igence that blends the principles of traditional dentistry with the integration of Neo Dentistry. It's a one-stop shop that combines everything from whitening and fillings to complex surgery. Central sterilized unit.
So all the dirty instrument will come in this way.
Behind the inspiration for Dentopia is Professor Atipan Pimkaukam, who is a world-renowned oral and maxillofacial surgeon, an expert in dental implants and bone regeneration, and one of Thailand's most respected leaders in all things dental. What's the concept behind Dentopia?
Yes, actually we would like to have something that can give holistic treatment, dental treatment for the patients, not just only the local Thai patients, but also for anyone from internationally who need the dental treatment.
So it's pretty much a one-stop shop here, isn't it? Because you have everything here.
Yes, we have everything. We can have all the specialists who can give you dental treatment properly. And we also have the dental labs where we can produce the products such as the crown veneer immediately as short time as we want.
So anything from as simple as cleaning or whitening to all the way up to surgery you can handle in the one center.
That's right. So we can do from the beginning of the examination with the digital equipment such as the dental CT scan and oral scan, where we can find any problem from the mouth of the patients, and then we can start doing the treatment just from simple and also the very complex cases.
The latest in 3D scanning allows for a precise picture of the patient's teeth.
Still use it. No need to remove and do the implant. We will merge face, teeth and CT scan in one data.
Okay.
Is there some really interesting standout technology that you offer here?
Yes, because we not just only do the research on the new technology for the dental treatment, we also implement those of the technology into our dental clinic, Dentopia clinic here, with the latest technology.
Yes.
Like we talked before about the navigation system, right? We have here almost 4 brands of the navigation system where we can use it to do the perfect, precise dental implant placement for the patients here.
So that can sort of map out your whole mouth and structure, kind of that navigation strategy. And is that for fixing teeth, but is it also helping with people's jaws and so on, and the position of their jaw?
Yes, that is very, very latest technology we just implement this year. It's called jaw motion tracker, where we can do the rehabilitation of the patients who lost all the teeth back to what they have the old teeth at the beginning since they were young.
Yes.
And then everything will look more, how to say, perfect in terms of the functions and aesthetic. So after we check in your mouth and did the oral scan and chest scan, now we're gonna look at the data of the CT scan. So with the face scan you saw a moment ago, then we integrate with the oral scan.
So now we're back to school?
Yes, here is the classroom for dentists who would like to do some training, not just only the lecture, but we also have training skill
Yes.
in the mannequins and also the live surgery facility. Now we can see the room of the operation where we can have a facility whether how to do the preparation before the surgery. And then we change to the camera that focusing on the surgery here.
Now this room is a little bit like a scene out of a movie. iRobot comes to mind actually, but this is where students can practice on a mannequin and it's totally painless.
In this room we have 7 robots, and this first robot is the main robot.
This is the main one.
Yeah, the teacher can do the demonstration here and all the picture will transport into each single robot.
Now let's be honest, a lot of people are terrified about going to the dentist.
Of course.
I mean, you're not a terrifying person, but they're just terrified about sitting in that chair. What do you do to help alleviate their fear?
Yes, this is our concept as well from the beginning, that we would like to create a clinic that does not look like a clinic, which means that patients come here without any fear. So they can feel that this is just a place that they want to come and relax and do the dental treatment without the atmosphere like a old-fashioned dental clinic.
So you hear that? You can come here, the dentist, and relax and feel good, feel happy. I mean, I guess that means that this center is ideal for the whole family as well too. That you also treat children here.
Yes, as I mentioned, that we have all kind of dental treatment, including the young children. But nowadays there's a very low birth rate in Thailand.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
We have more and more geriatric patients, elderly patients, where we need to give them a lot of care, especially the dental care.
Dentopia is located close to Icon Siam Shopping Centre, major city hotels, and the famous Chao Phraya River. There is also a free hotel pickup service for visiting patients and plenty of parking for local residents and expats, along with EV charging stations. Dental treatment in Thailand is often 50% cheaper than Europe, the US or Australia. And facilities like this not only offer top-notch service and technology, they can be very efficient if your time is limited. The centre's 3D printers can produce crowns, bridges and inlays in a matter of hours. And if you need more time, then Thailand is the perfect place for an extended holiday. Now that's enough to brighten anyone's smile.